what are you up to? Are you still doing tracks?
Yes, but not really. It's kind of a technicality story, but I don't really want to get into it because honestly, it has me feeling uncomfortable and it has to do with the coach.
Really?
Yes.
What about coach?
So I signed up to do tracks with them, right? And it's the case where there were some incidents that kind of made me feel very uncomfortable. So I'm not sure if I'm still doing tracks, but I would want to.
I mean, if it's something that you're really passionate about, you should, but you also have to take in consideration that you have to be comfortable with what you're doing and the space that you're in.
That's true.
Because remember, I did it, but ever since the injury, I just like forgot about it. But there are days when I wish I still did it.
Yeah, well, at least for me, I was hoping it would have been the injury that would have been my issue, to be honest, because at least I would have had a solid reason to actually stop my career path.
Why? Why though? Like, what's happening?
I never really want to get into it because I still try to deal with it, but it's the case where coach just, I mean, honestly, I don't know if I put it, but coach messed up.
That's a coach Denval?
Yes, Coach Denval, him same one. Same one. It's like, him reach out to me so me can train with him, right? And he will give me the opportunity to get a scholarship if me I do well enough, right? And then after, it's like, realize I stop paying me any mind. But he stopped paying me mind after me tell him say, he might touch me in a way where make me uncomfortable. So would I just want to treat me differently? Suddenly, him not train me at all. He just completely ignores me at training and does nothing to assist me. Like the entire time he just there by myself, he focused on the other girl and he not pay me enough from my mind, right? Then afterwards, it's a case where I confront him. This man told me that the only way to get to a scholarship, Shanique, was to go through him. So
I'm not surprised.
you're not surprised?
No, because he did the same thing with me.
You're kidding.
It actually got to the point where I had to actually be with him.
Wait, you're kidding? I thought that you guys were in a serious relationship.
No, that's the story put out front, but really and truly, he kind of like backed me into a corner to be with him just to get the scholarship.
I seriously had no idea that's what was happening. Like the whole time I thought that you guys were actually in a real relationship and it just happened that he was your coach. I had no clue that you were forced.
Yeah, but like I said before, the injury, even though it sucks, it's the best thing that could have ever happened to me. Really.
Honestly, at this point, I don't feel like you forget what we're doing, Mado.
No.
We really don't feel like he's supposed to just do him a do and it just pass. That's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Like, it can't be just be the case where everybody is only getting a chance because they might give him favors. Because even when I was at training, the one girl I pay attention to, she tell me, say, if me do what she do, me I get scholarship too.
Because she's sleeping with him.
Exactly. So that make perfect sense to me now. But now me, I think both of me are like, the setup thing actually not somebody now.
So here's what we're going to do. You're going to rope him in, make it seem like you actually want to start something with him, and we're going to record it. We're going to put it out on Instagram.
Yeah.
We're going to send it all over.
That makes perfect sense.
Popeyes, Negril.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that makes perfect sense because in can't just like get away with being a dusty man.
It's too much.
Yeah.
Don't Denver, don't take coach.
Yeah.
Too much. It's too much.
But I'm happy we have this conversation because I had no idea. I literally thought I was the only person that was experiencing this.
Trust me, you're not the first and you're not the last. There were many before me, and if we don't stop him now, there's going to be many more after.
Yeah, because what if I had actually listened? But this actually sounds like a really good idea. So
when we get home, I'm going to give you a call, and then we can discuss how we're going to set up the whole coach thing.
Definitely.
All right?
Definitely. You can't just get away with this.
No, it's too much now. It's time for him to actually pay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Because you're not going to just destroy to our future like that.
Right? And
get away with it.
I'm glad we're doing this now. because he actually didn't get his way with you
Yeah.
the way he did with me. So we're gonna set this up perfectly.
All right.
All right. So it was nice seeing you again. All right.
right.
Later.
All right, good. Very good. Yeah. So yo, just give me 6 set that. Right, very good. Keep your composure. Right, come on. Right, good. Ashley, come on. Good. Come Samantha, too much conferencing, man. No conferencing on the field. Samantha, Ami, come on, do some strides out. Need some strides out. Strides out. David, Very good. Come on, Samantha, too much conference.
Good evening, Coach.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I'm good. There. On in slavery.
Is it possible to get a minute of your time?
Sure, what's up?
So, you remember the other day that we were talking and you said some things. I think there's a possibility I may have overreacted.
See, I was telling you that you're not nothing to worry about because look, what we're doing here is nothing. You see me? What you got to lose?
Yeah.
You see me?
So,
Me I gave my scholarship and I don't to lose. You done a geek me for free already.
so I think I'm ready to get mine.
Think you ready to get yours?
Yeah.
Alright, say no more. We can't really talk right so. There? It's in the car. It's in the car. Hey, Mr. Hey! Let's take over the people too from here. Yeah. If anybody asks me, I'm not there. Start the one. Good. Well, not if I can't get so come here.
Alright.
But I like how you come to your senses.
Yeah, me know say all the way through.
Yeah, man. Because without me, you know, it's like I'm the gatekeeper, you see? But without me, nothing can go on.
Okay, Coach.
Oh, yeah.
You found it?
Yeah, man. Oh, why is some delivery?
Okay. So, you were saying before about being the gatekeeper?
Oh, as me I say, I'm not a bad person. I mean, I think I'm a bad person.
Because you see when they get the Diamond League, the scholarship, you know, when they win it and start go run Diamond League and we know why money, you know. Me feel like say if meanwhile I get coaching, you're not wrong. I can go and be a little boyfriend in the meantime.
So may have to do things in order to get the scholarship.
It's not like that. It's you don't have to do things, but something for something. Me not look for nothing else from you.
Alright, so what is it that you're looking for?
Well, you could have blessed me with what your mother bless you with still, you know. Because you see, you're a very beautiful girl, you know. You have some very beautiful eyes, and every time you go out here, I always admire how you look good on the field. I just wish all of that I did mine.
Okay. You said because we had a misunderstanding before and you know me just never come to my senses. Specifically tell me what is it that you want from me, coach? What me need for do for you in order to get my scholarship?
Alright. As a big man and big woman, me no want nothing from you but I look front and just look front me and look. You understand? I just say me have my money already, me no need nothing more.
So that me have to do in order to just get the scholarship and move on with my life?
That's all, you don't need nothing to do nothing more. Front with extra, with little extra on the top. You know what I'm saying?
And you tell me so we have to do this, you know. So me just know say whatever it is me have to do, me just have to do.
You need to do nothing more than that.
Alright, we can't work with that. If that's what it takes, then we can do that.
Alright, so we could go to a little hotel then, no?
Not today.
Not today?
Not today. Today we have a lot of things to do. I'm never planning for this, so tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We kind of have my mind on it a while ago, so I have to move ahead and I have my mind on it. I said, notice becoming like car.
No, but not today. Tomorrow work best for me.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm free. I'm fully free tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna have all the time for you.
Alright. Tomorrow we can pick you up then. Which part we come?
Anytime you're ready, you just call me.
Just call you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, no problem. So you're good, because me I got there and finish up the training and then since as we now got thing with it, I'll do it today. So we come like car. But since as we now bother with no necessary have to go now, you're good though?
Yeah, man, we're good. So tomorrow we see you?
Yes.
Yeah, man, tomorrow all will be well.
Alright. Sir.
Hey, Samantha, come on. More on that.
Me leave my phone. Hold on.
Okay. Come in.
Hi. Good day. Sorry to be coming in on a weekend, but I heard that you were in office. Do you have a minute?
Yes, sure. Sit down.
Thank you. All right, so thank you for seeing me. So I have a pressing issue to talk about,
Okay.
and I didn't want to wait until next week because it's a really important matter, but I'm not even sure exactly how to say it because at some points I was wondering if I'm crazy to think the things that I'm thinking, but I think Coach has been doing some inappropriate things regarding the students.
What do you mean? Okay, I could tell that you're nervous. Take a deep breath, try to calm down, and tell me exactly what happened.
Okay, so from the beginning, it's the case where I signed up with Coach, for the track team and everything, looking forward to opportunities, and I was training. But then things started to get a bit weird, and it's the case where he made a few touches that I thought were inappropriate, but I was thinking that, maybe I'm just being crazy. But then when I said something about it, he started to ignore me completely.
How was he touching you?
He was physically, like, embracing me to show me different techniques as to how to train. But when I said that I'm not comfortable with the touch, he then continued to say like, oh, there's nothing wrong with it. And then when I followed up with training, he ignored me. And then after he started to ignore me, it's the case where I realized that I needed to say something. So I approached him. However, when I did this, he made it very clear and transparent in bold words that I will not be getting any opportunities unless he's pleased with sexual advances.
Excuse me?
Yeah. And then it got to the point where I decided that I absolutely have to quit because there's no way that I'm going to exchange that for my future opportunities. So I decided that I'm not going to allow him to get away with it. And I had came up with a plan to actually prove it.
Okay, well, this is what we're going to do. Because this is it's a very serious accusation, I'm gonna have to call the coach in. Do you feel comfortable with me calling him while you're here? Or would you rather me speak to him one-on-one? It would be better for you to be here.
I think I'd prefer for him to be here while I'm here.
Okay.
And I also have some video footage to show you.
Can I see it, please?
Sure.
As a big man and big woman, me no want nothing from you but that man take a front thing. Just take a front me out.
Okay, yes. All right. So I'm going to call coach right now, and we're going to have to address this matter. I don't like what I'm seeing on that video.
Okay.
So just one moment. Hi, coach. This is Dean Francine. Hi, how are you doing? Are you able to be in my office like ASAP? I would like to see you right now. Thank you. Okay, I'll see you momentarily. Okay, he says he'll be here momentarily, so we just have to wait for him. I just want to apologize for your experience. Just a moment. Come in. Hi, coach.
Yes, Miss Francine.
How are you doing?
Not so bad, I'm kind of busy. I'm doing some training over there, so.
Well, I'm sorry to disturb you, but there is a pressing matter that we need to deal with ASAP. And I needed to call you in to address it.
What's the matter?
It's been brought to my attention that some inappropriate behavior has been displayed from you to a student, and that will not be tolerated.
What kind of inappropriate behavior that you talk about? Me?
Yes. And this is not the first or the last time.
So, what else me do? What me do?
You know exactly what you did.
Miss Francine, as a man of my stature and pedigree, Miss Francine, you ever hear about me a touchdown student inappropriately, Miss Francine? All the ears of me there so with you, Miss Francine. You ever get none of them report there yet?
Coach, honestly, no. I have not heard anything in the past. But in the present, things has come up. And I need, hold on, coach. I need to address it. We will not tolerate students feeling like they are not in a safe environment.
Miss Francine, let me tell you. You see this girl? Let me tell her no lie. She like me, Miss Francine. Make sure you come tell her them accusation. You hear me tell her? You know what happened? because she come on to me and because she hears me I give her a scholarship, she feel like say she couldn't push on herself for me. She coming on to me very strong, Miss Francine, because she hears me I give her a scholarship.
I came on to you.
Miss Francine, for you know me have a clean track record. Me no deal with little pitney. And that me tell her when she come over there, I raise some little startups and I feel like said me me go look. But me I tell her something I look pan little pan me trainer them. You see me? So I don't know where this come from. And she have no proof of me doing anything like that.
Well, this is it, coach. Your track record has been very good with our athletes. And if this had happened maybe a couple of months ago, I maybe wouldn't have questioned it, because I do know what your history is with our students. However, as I said, a pressing matter was brought to my attention. Your actions are on video.
Video, Miss Francine, what kind of video? Let me see that the video, Miss Francine, because why is me in a video, Miss Francine?
Coach, unless you have a twin, it was you.
You have the audacity to stand up in this office and claim that you haven't done anything. You really have the nerve to claim that you haven't done anything, coach.
Look, a girl, now you come on to me.
How dare you actually stand in here and make it seem like I am a liar for all that you have done? You want to claim that you did not propose the idea to me, that I had to give you favors in order to get my opportunities, even though I wanted to work for it? You want to claim that at this moment? You want to claim that you, sir, have never done anything inappropriate?
Miss Francine, I swear upon my life said me never do nothing appropriate to this girl. A lie she a tell upon me.
How dare you?
And how dare you tell
How
that?
dare you? How dare you have the audacity to pretend like I'm the one that would actually accuse you of something?
Well, coach, this is what's gonna happen. I cannot ignore what's going on with this young lady. So I am gonna have to call head faculty, and an investigation is going to happen.
Miss Francine, I can't believe you're really slunging us, Miss Francine, and make she slung us. Tell lie upon me, Miss Francine. Eh? A lie she a tell upon me.
You are wicked. You are wicked.
Miss Francine, I can't go because me have something to deal with, Miss Francine. I can't believe this really call me over so far.
Unfortunately, coach, I cannot ignore what this young lady is telling me. It is very serious. An investigation will be conducted. So, effective immediately, you are suspended without pay, and you will be notified by head faculty when the hearing will take place. You may go. Have a good day.
Miss Francine, listen, I'm gonna make me lawyer deal with this because me not gonna make she stand slow and tell no lie about me, you know.
You are wicked. You.
What?
I am so sorry for what you're going through. I truly am. And just seeing how broken you are is not sitting very well with me.
That was one of the hardest confrontations that I've ever done in my entire life. And it was not fair for him to actually stand there and claim that I am the one that actually did something to him. That was not fair.
But you want to know what? I'm proud of you because you confronted him. And even though he's saying he didn't, we know he did. The evidence is there. You know, but rest assured, this will be dealt with. He's not going to get off. I'm going to make sure of it. Okay?
Okay.
So what I want you to do right now is try to get yourself together. Come and see me on Monday.
Okay.
And I will let you know what the progress is.
I will.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
No problem. That's what I'm here for.
I really appreciate everything.
And if you run into any more problems, do not hesitate to come and see me. Okay? All right. It's gonna be okay. Okay. Take care, okay?
Come on, hurry up, man. Ashley. Come on, hurry up, man. We have a next one, man. We have a next one. Yo, where are the man? Run the man. Sure. Yeah. Come on, get forward, man. Get forward. Oh, too lazy, you know. So I 200 there back, brother. Hey, you see you? I be a laugh, you come back and laugh out man training, you know. Be a laugh, you come back and you're the one LJ. Come on. There's no excuse when it comes to ball game, man. Come on, get behind the ball. Right. Yeah, man. Hey, LJ, come on, man. Do better than that, man. Come, Spipsqueak, get to the ball. Good, 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 good. Come on, move forward, move forward. Right, work for the ball, man, work for the ball. Too lazy, man. Too lazy. Come on, you have to get active. Too lazy, man. All right, see the shot, man. Get to the ball. All right. Come on, no laughing, man. No laughing in that game, you know. Yeah, man, keep going, man. Keep going. Come on, get up off your foot, man. Yeah, man, keep going. Good, 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 good. Very good, very good. Come on. Yo. Yo. Come on, man. Big man. Are you man? Yeah, keep going, keep going. Very good. Big man. Are you me talking? Come on, man. Wait, that man are deaf. Yo, stay focused, so you play a game.
Yo, are you here chatting to coach boy?
Good, good.
Coach boy, you know your man a chat to you. How you deal with? You think me here say I violate my niece over this? Yo, know what you doing, you know?
Who are niece?
Me my who am my niece. Look here, no big man, me know you ramp with my family, you know.
Brother, me no, hear me say, me no know your niece.
Me might not know my niece.
Where your niece name?
Ashley me attack. Ashley I'm a niece, big man. I violate her. She say I ramp with her in a youth. Know what you doing, coach boy.
Hear me say, let go of him. Let go,
bad man.
Let go of him.
Yeah, bad man. All right.
Let go.
Touch me one more time.
Let go.
Touch more. Hey, go yeah, doing up here. Yo, yeah. Hey boy, know what you doing? Hey boy, you know what bad man? You know about it. Hey boy, what you doing? Know what you doing? You boy, what you doing? A violent man from the hey boy, you ramp with my family again. That me make you know. Understand this, friend?
What you right there? What? Jesus Christ, what?